In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about a reflection across a horizontal line. So if we have a problem like this that says graph the image of triangle ABC over the line y equals -2. So I'm going to show you a few tricks along the way, and then at the end I'll show you the biggest trick that you need to know for this to make it simple. So we have our triangle ABC and we have our horizontal line y equals -2. It crosses at y equals -2, and that's why this line is called that, okay? So the first step is to know that a reflection flips a figure over a line to create a mirror image. So it flips it over. So now we can identify the points for triangle ABC. So A is at 2, 6. We could see x is 2, y is 6. B is at 5, 4. Okay? So x is 5, y is 4. C is at 4 and 0 for y, right? There's no y, it's just right on the line. Okay? So for a horizontal reflection, you keep x. So the x coordinate does not change for a horizontal reflection. So let's put that in for our prime values. We could keep all the x's the same. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. Okay, so now we can figure out the y coordinates for point A, B, and C. So for A, point A is 8 units above y equals -2. Let's look at that. So here's our line y equals -2, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points above. So A prime will be 8 units below y equals -2. So how's that going to look? Here's the 8 units above. Here's the 8 units below, and this is where you put it. And notice that the x value stays the same. It has not changed at 2, right? 2, -10. That's the new spot for A prime. Okay, so all we had to do was count 8 units from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we arrive at -10. So that's the first trick, right? You just count the number of units. So now we do the same for the other points. Point B is 6 units above y equals -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means B prime will be 6 units below y equals -2. So we come to this line at the same x value and we count 6 units below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be here at -8. Then for C, C is 2 units above the line. 1, 2. So it's going to be 2 units below. 1, 2. It'll be at -4. Okay, so let's see how that looks. So it's B is at 5, -8, which is what we said. And then C is at 4, -4, which is what we have here. Okay, so now our other trick, our final trick for a horizontal reflection, the new y is 2 times -2, which is what we have here for the horizontal line, minus the original y. Okay, so for A example, y is 6 here. Okay, so now the reflected y is going to be 2 times -2, which is 2 times this, minus 6, which equals -10, which is what we found when we had to count the blocks. So that's the final trick on how to do horizontal reflection. And it works for all of the y's, okay? So that's it. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, You'll find a link that'll take you right to this lesson. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine in the description that are similar to this. You could check those out. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.